y'all, welcome to my freaking channel. Today we have a clean with me. As you guys can see, it's a freaking disaster. I hate when my kitchen gets like this. It's rare that it does, but it did. So today we need to clean this thing and get it all the way together. As you can see, we just got back from Walmart, so I have groceries to take out and all that good stuff. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I want to welcome you guys, and I appreciate you guys even taking time out of your day to hit that button to watch my video. But I hope y'all freaking get motivated and actually clean with me. So if y'all have anything to clean, go ahead and start cleaning it, and let's do this together. The first thing I gotta do is I gotta open up these packages so I can get them off the counter. So let's get it, you guys.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
Alright y'all, so we finished cleaning the house. I feel so much better now. I definitely need to get this little side on the left taken care of, but that stuff needs to go in our room. But otherwise, this house is looking so good. If y'all hear any background noise, that's my son, y'all, so I apologize about that. But I love having a nice clean kitchen, and I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope my video motivated y'all to get up and clean. It doesn't even have to be the kitchen. It could be your living room, your bedroom. I just hope that it motivated y'all to clean. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys next video.